Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this Volkswagen Golf 2017 GT edition. This is the top of the range Volkswagen Golf. As you can see, it has got a few optional extras on it too. Look at those wheels, they look stunning. And the star of the show is the panoramic opening sunroof, perfect for summer or a lovely day like today. It's also great. So this car is one of our approved used cars. So it'll come with a full 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as a full 142 point check on this car. We'll check everything from tyres to oil to fluids to the engine to the brake pads to make sure everything is in working order for yourself. If you do end up on the roadside, you also get 2 years roadside assistance with this car. And if you do decide to buy this car on PCP, you'll also get a 2 years free service plan. So plenty of peace of mind with this car. I'll show you inside the car because the luxuries don't stop in here. So as you can see how light an area it is in here with the sunroof. So it does, I'll demonstrate that in a minute. But you've also got your navigation in here, semi-digital dials. You've got air conditioning. And then the Art Velours seating, really comfortable cloth seats. You do also have the lumbar support in these on both the driver's and passenger side that you just push out and you can decide where you'd like it. As you can see, it's done 57,609 miles and it is a petrol. I've given it a little drive and it drives really nicely. Sunglasses holder, and then here is where you control your sunroof, so you don't have to hold it down all the way, you just press it like that and it will shut. And then you can see it does still flood the cabin with light. Then you've got this little blind matching the colour of the headlining. Really nice feature to have, especially in the summer months. So if I open this as well, I'll show you what you can do. If it's a particularly hot day, maybe there's lots of flies about or whatever, you have this built-in wind deflector that just helps you get better economy and more aerodynamics. Then you can also put your blind across like so. So say you've got loads of flies coming in, you can put that blind across, you'll still get fresh air through there and light, and you won't get any flies. So it's a really nice system. You can have it where you want as well, you don't have to have it there. You could just have a little breeze if you'd like, stops wherever you'd like it to. Really, really nice thing. Or you can have it like that and it'll stop at the back with the back open. Really nice feature. You've also got adaptive cruise control on this car. Again, really nice, and the 6-speed manual gearbox is really smooth, really nice belt as well with the 1.4 TSI engine. It's a lovely engine. Auto lights. So like I say, we'll give it a full 142 point check to make sure everything is up to your standards and Volkswagen standard. We do offer flexible financial options as well as part exchange welcome from any brand. Thanks for watching and we do hope to see you soon.